Hello, my name is Kate, and today I want to show you my favorite summer knitting patterns. Before starting to make research for this video, I didn't expect to find so many beautiful summer patterns I would like to knit. But here we are, we have about 20 patterns to go through. I picked these patterns purely based on what I like and what I would like to knit myself. But I hope that these patterns will inspire you as well and you would get some ideas for your summer projects. I've divided these patterns into categories. We have lace tops, then non-lace tops, t-shirts, long sleeve blouses, cardigans, and one sweater pattern. So I have my computer here and let's get started. First up is Beer Top by Colibri by Johanna. This is lace top that is knitted top down on 3.5mm needles and with light fingering weight yarn. What stood out to me about this pattern is the lace motif. I very much like how it looks. I haven't seen this motif before. It comes across as modern and new, so everything I look for in a knitting pattern. I would really like to knit it myself. It's a fairly popular pattern on Ravelry. It has 203 projects here. And when I go through these project images, I get confirmation that it would be a very good pattern to pick up because people who have knitted it look very good in this top. It's pretty easy to curate beautiful pattern images. So when I see good results on the project page, then it's a big green flag to me. Next top is Love Letter Top by Veronica Lindberg. It's a bit similar than the last one, but with different lace motif. It's also knitted top down. It uses 3mm needles and worsted weight yarn. This lace is very beautiful. It changes throughout the top and I find this bubble row very playful. It's very popular pattern on Ravelry. It has 1649 projects here and people look good in this one as well. Third pattern is Ages by Audrey Borrego. This top is also knitted top down, first flat and then connected in the round. It uses 3.5mm needles and sport weight yarn. I very much like the design of this top. It features some gables, twisted rib and zigzag motif. It's very beautiful. Compared to the last two tops, this one would be much more practical in my wardrobe because I know that I don't wear no sleeve tops that often. So this one has cap sleeves and I think for this reason I would wear it more often. But one modification that I would like to make if I were to knit it is that I would make it longer. This is designed to be cropped, but I would like to have it longer. And as I go through these project images, I see that many people agree with me and they have done this modification themselves. It's a pretty popular pattern on Ravelry. It has 124 projects here. And what makes it even better is that this pattern is completely free, which might make the decision to knit it even easier. Fourth, we have Sunday Twirl Tank by Jessie Made Designs. This is again knitted top down on 3.25mm needles and with DK weight yarn. It features beautiful gables and lace work. It's minimal yet has some interesting elements. Definitely something I look for in a pattern. This is also a bit cropped and if I were to make it then I would knit it a bit longer, but again very easy modification to make. It has 279 projects on Ravelry. Next up is pattern by Georgia Fibers, Lolita Top. This is also knitted top down on 4mm needles and with sport weight yarn. I very much like the textured design with little holes And what makes it very interesting to me is the finishing details around the edges. And what sold me to knit this pattern is one project image. Someone had made it in black, and I think this is very much my cup of tea. And if I were to knit it, probably I would use black yarn as well. And actually this pattern has only 22 projects on Ravelry, but maybe it's a newer pattern, that's why. Not sure, it doesn't say on Ravelry page. Last top in this category is Barboa top by Pernille Larsen. This top is knitted bottom up. I think it's the only one in this list that is knitted with this construction. But for summer garment, I think it makes a lot of sense to knit it this way as well, so I wouldn't mind. It uses 3mm needles and fingering weight yarn. I like the lace motif, the wavy bottom hem, and the square neckline. It ticks a lot of my boxes that I look for in a summer top. It's a pretty popular pattern on Ravelry. It has 281 projects here. Next category is tops without lace. And first up we have Iliana top by Masha Sibyakova. This top is knitted top down on 3.25mm needles and with fingering weight yarn. I like the construction and design elements of this top. It seemed to have this shape that would probably fit most body types and is universally flattering. And all these design elements and finishing details are super neat and beautiful. I like the double knitted edges of the top. I like the construction so much that I would even consider knitting it twice, once with the cables and second time with stockinette stitch. This pattern has 99 projects on Ravelry. The next pattern in this category is by Drops Design, Spring Peak, and it's completely free. A few days ago, I went to Drops website with a plan to buy some yarn. But as I already knew I will be making this video, had done some research about summer patterns, then I was thinking, well, let me have a look what patterns they have. I had low expectations because I had went through their winter garments before, but I didn't find anything interesting there. But I was positively surprised this time that they had good variety of summer pieces. And this one made the list. It's knitted top down on 3mm needles with sport weight yarn. I like the minimal yet interesting design of this top. It has ribbing in the top part and this zigzag motif. Another thing I appreciate about this design is the square neckline. It is very beautiful and one of my favorite necklines actually. This pattern has only 22 projects on Ravelry, but one of them looks absolutely amazing and makes me want to knit this pattern even more. Third pattern in this category is by Other Loops, Lined Loop Top. It's knitted top down on 3mm needles with light fingering weight yarn. It's reap top with stripes. Very classic, minimal, would be very easy to style and integrate into any wardrobe. It has 125 projects on Ravelry. A lot of the time I get inspired by complex designs and intricate details, but actually I tend to wear pretty plain clothing. Because of that, it would be practical to also knit plain patterns. And this next top by Davina Choi Coastline Tank Top definitely meets the criteria. It's plain stockinette top with some ribbing design on the sides. It's knitted top down on 4mm needles and with worsted weight yarn. There's actually one very similar and popular pattern on Ravelry. It's called Thea Top, which is pretty much the same. But this one is free actually. So if you have been eyeing out for this Thea Top, this might be a good alternative. It has beautiful scoop neck, which I think is universally flattering neckline, and features one-by-one ribbing details. It has 93 projects on Ravelry. Next pattern is very similar to the last one. It's Sweet Breeze Top by Veronica Lindberg. The main difference is that this one has higher neckline, but other than that, it looks very similar. It's knitted top down on 3mm needles with fingering weight yarn, so it's also a bit lighter. This pattern is pretty popular on Ravelry. It has 300 projects here. The next pattern is even more popular. It has 2,846 projects on Ravelry, and it's Kamasil number 9 by My Favorite Things Knitwear. I've heard a lot of talk about this top, and I'm not surprised why. Just look beautiful. It's knitted top down on 3mm needles with fingering weight yarn. And what stood out about this top to me is the finishing details. It features this, I think it's double knitted edges, but it makes the garment look very professional. I'm not sure that I would have time to knit it this summer, but definitely at one point I will make it, so I'll keep you posted. Now we are moving into t-shirt category, and the first pattern here is Catch the Wind by Drops Design. Again, this pattern is free. It's knitted top down, has raglan construction, and it features beautiful lace work on the sleeves and on the sides. It's minimal yet has some interesting elements, and that's why I would really like to have it in my wardrobe. It uses 3mm needles and sport weight yarn. This pattern has 215 projects on Ravelry. Next up we have a Freestyle shirt by Susanne Miller. This t-shirt has also raglan shaping. It's knitted top down on 3.5mm needles with sport weight yarn. The pattern gives you two design options. You could either knit it plainly or with thin stripes. I like both options equally. Many people have knitted this one. It has 670 projects on Ravelry. The third pattern in this category is Maritime Tee by Cyril Mokhtari. This t-shirt is knitted top down on 3.5mm needles with fingering weight yarn. I'm not sure what construction it is. It reminds me a little bit of European shoulder construction, but it's something else. So would be interesting to knit it to try out this construction method. And I very much like the shoulders. It has this fitted look. This pattern has 106 projects on Ravelry. By the same designer we have another t-shirt, Stornoway Tee. It's knitted top down on 3.5mm needles with DK weight yarn. This t-shirt has some textured sections and stripes. I like the colors on these pictures, and if I were to knit it, I might use the exact same yarn and colors. This pattern has 179 projects on Ravelry. And from the project images, I see that many people have knitted with long sleeves. So it would be good modification to make. There's one reason I hesitate a little bit to knit this one. It features dropped shoulder, and I know that this construction don't fit me the best. I have pretty wide shoulders, and this type of construction make my shoulder to look even wider. So not so sure, but who knows? Maybe I might try it because I like the design overall. Or another option would be to use the same look, the stripes and texture, but have it with different construction method to do some modifications. Let's see. Last pattern in this category is Texture Tee by Maimane by Lisa Meissner. This shirt is knitted on 3.5mm needles with sport weight yarn. It has this interesting and unique ribbing design and high neckline. When I see the pattern images, then I wish it to have a bit looser fit. So if I were to knit it, I probably would size up to have a bit more positive ease. This is new pattern. It came out this month and it has 15 projects on Ravelry. The next category is long sleeve blouses. And the first pattern we have here is Seashore Blouse by Veronica Lindberg. This blouse has raglan shaping. It's knitted top down on 4mm needles with fingering plus fingering yarn. I like the lace work, and in my climate this blouse would be very practical. We don't have very many warm days, and having this blouse with long sleeves but some hole would be very practical on daily basis. So for these reasons this is actually high up in my knitting queue. This pattern has 184 projects on Ravelry. The next pattern is pretty similar to the last one. It's Radolfi's Sweater by Colibri by Johanna. It has drop shoulder construction knitted on 4.5mm needles with DK weight yarn. I like the design, but I'm a bit hesitant to make it because it's drop shoulders. As I mentioned before, this construction doesn't fit me the best, but I might consider to try it out because at one point I will make something that is drop shoulders, so who knows, it might be this one. This pattern has 63 projects on Ravelry. In the last category we have warmer garments, but depending on where you live, these can be very useful even during the summertime. First up is Maggie Cardigan by Petite Knit. It's knitted top down on 3.5mm needles with sport weight yarn. It has European shoulder construction, which is one of my favorite. It fits my body type very well. If I were to knit it, actually I plan to knit it very soon, I would make one modification. Instead of the short sleeve, I would make them long, full length. It's easy modification to make. It's a very popular pattern. It has 2,335 projects on Ravelry. The second pattern in this category is also by Petite Knit, April Cardigan. This cardigan has saddle shoulder construction. It's knitted on 4mm needles with lace plus light fingering yarn. It makes it DK. I plan to knit this cardigan as well, but I haven't decided would I knit it with mohair or without. If I were to use mohair, then it wouldn't be so summer appropriate, but I think this pattern would be very good for a summer as a layering piece. So let's see what the future will bring. This pattern is super popular. It has 3,745 projects on Ravelry. The last pattern is sweater number 32 by My Favorite Things Knitwear. I realized that most of my handmade pieces are with mohair, and I really need to have a sweater without mohair, and I plan to use this pattern for this. It's raglan sweater that is knitted top down on 4mm needles with DK weight yarn. This striped design is perfect for summer, so I hope to cast this on very soon. This pattern is pretty popular. It has 298 projects on Ravelry. So that's it for today. These were the patterns. I hope you got some inspiration for your summer projects from this video, and let me know in the comment section what projects you plan to cast on this summer. So, see you next time. Bye bye.